Welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about a Python module called PyAutoGUI. PyAutoGUI is a Python module that allows you to programmatically control the mouse movements and keyboard actions. This can be incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks, testing applications, or creating simple scripts in order to interact with your computer. So that's all about this PyAutoGUI library. Now let's see how to use this. First, in order to install this library, you have to type this command in your terminal: pip install PyAutoGUI. And after installing this, you have to import the module or library. Import PyAutoGUI. And now let's see some of the basic methods that are available in this PyAutoGUI module. Screen size. Suppose if I want to know the screen dimensions, that is width and height of my screen, I'll use the size method which is available in this PyAutoGUI module in order to get the width and height of my screen. This PyAutoGUI.size method returns two values, that is x and y. The x represents the width of your screen and y represents the height of your screen. Since it returns two values, we are storing it in two variables called width and height and printing this. So let's execute this. Open your terminal and execute it. As you can see, the width of my screen is 1920 pixels and the height of my screen is 1080 pixels. So this is how you can get the dimensions of your screen. So now let's go to the basic methods available to control the mouse. As you can see, PyAutoGUI offers a method called moveTo, which takes three parameters: the x value and the y value and the duration in which you want to move your cursor to that particular specified coordinate. This 1500, 500 is the coordinate which I want my cursor to move in the duration of 3 seconds. So let's execute this. As you can see, the cursor is moving from that point to the coordinate where 1500, 500 is there in the duration of 3 seconds. So that's how this move to method works. And let's also see this move relative method, which acts relatively according to the current position of the cursor. So after executing this code, my mouse will move from any point to this coordinate called 1500, 500. And after moving from 1500, 500 coordinate, it will move relatively to this particular coordinate, that is minus 150. So the action is, first it will come to the 1500, 500 coordinate and then it will go up. The mouse is moving from 1500 to 500 and then minus 15, minus 150 relative to the current mouse position, that is 1500, 500. So this is how you move your mouse using the PyAutoGUI module. And now let's see some more methods for mouse, that is the clicks. Suppose if I want to single click at any particular point in a particular duration, I'll use this click method. If I want to double click, I use the double click method, and if I want to right click, I use the right click method, and the same parameters here too. So these are used to single click, double click and right click at any particular point in any particular duration. And next we have these scrolling methods, which are used to scroll up and scroll down. PyAutoGUI offers a method called scroll, which takes a parameter or the units to which you want to scroll. I specified 100 units. That means it will scroll up by 100 units. If I specify minus 100, that will scroll up or down by 100 units. So this is how you will scroll automatically by just writing this PyAutoGUI scripts. And now let's see some methods by which we can control the keyboard. First we have this typewrite method, which will type a particular string for us, particular string or sentence for us in any given interval. The interval specifies the delay between the type of each characters. So let's try to execute this. Alright, let's place this here. Open your terminal. As you can see, the PyAutoGUI is typing with an interval of 0.5 seconds between each character. Next, if you want to press any particular key, you can just use dot press method, in which you should specify the name of that key. Suppose if I want to press the Windows button, I'll specify the PyAutoGUI dot press Windows, or you can also give the enter button here. In order to press the enter button, you can just give PyAutoGUI dot press automatically. And if you want to press multiple keys, that is alt plus tab, shift plus enter, and some these combinatorial keys, in order to do those combination, you can just use PyAutoGUI.hotkey method, which will take the parameters or the keys you want to press. So there's also method to taking screenshots. In order to take a screenshot, you can use PyAutoGUI.screenshot method. This will take a screenshot and store it in a screenshot variable, and then we'll save it with the name of ss.png. Right now we are in this particular screen VS Code. If I execute this code, it will take the screenshot of this screen and save it in this root directory with the name ss.png. Let's try to execute this. As you can see, ss.png is available here. So this is the screenshot we took. So guys, these are some methods which we'll be using in our future projects to automate our tasks. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video and understood the content, please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.